Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 your PC device needs to be repaired with error code 0xc000000e. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Windows installation drive letter is C. Run commands one by one. Find system volume, in my case system volume is 2. Type bcd boot space, Windows installation drive letter colan / Windows space, /s space, assigned drive letter colan space, /f space UEFI. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.